Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, give me a thumbs up and also share this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a short hair bundle to do a long hair ponytail. So I went ahead to use my 14 inches body waves hair to do a 42 inches ponytail. First of all, I'll need to braid my hair with an extension to the desired length. Before I forget, I did this rubber band hair by myself, and I have a video on my channel on how to do it. So in case you like to learn it, kindly go to the description box. I'll leave the link there. So now I've gotten my desired length. I'm done braiding. Since I'll be doing a little gluing, what I normally do is to wrap the hair extension around my hair, since I don't want some of the glue in my hair. So in order to get a lengthy ponytail with a short hair, we'll be using abundant glue to glue the short hair actually, on the hair we just braided. So in order for the glue not to dry, what I normally do is to cut the hair into sizable length before applying the glue to the hair. Then start wrapping the glue hair from the tip of the braided hair. So when wrapping, you wrap upwards, that's wrap towards your hair. When wrapping, I'll advise you to wrap in a direction you think you feel comfortable with. So far, this is what I've gotten. Finally done wrapping my hair. After wrapping the hair, I added a little hair oil to the hair to make the hair softer since I'll be combing the hair. And also since the hair oil will give the hair a shiny and nicer look. After combing the hair, you can decide to add accessories to the hair to make the hair look nicer. So I added my ponytail hairband to make it look presentable and also give it a unique look. This is my final look. I really like this ponytail because it's really long and nice, and the color blend too. It's just beautiful and unique. So after everything, I decided to measure the hair and see how long my ponytail was, and I got about 42 inches, which is quite long and lengthy. And I got this by using a 14 inches hair bundle. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe if you not subscribed. Give me a thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you.